for this, you simply, what you need to do is just create a one Excel sheet. Just right click and just create Excel sheet. Suppose here is the Excel sheet. Let's say I will keep it name topo and just open that Excel sheet. And once you open that Excel sheet, what you need to do is you simply need to go to this file, then go to open, and you go to when you just need to browse that file where we have saved it. Suppose I have saved that data here. So this is my data. Now what you need to do is in this file you need to change this into all files. Now this is the data, just select it and just open it. And now the most important thing is here, just keep it in delimited. Then just what we need to do is suppose it does not matter in delimited or fixed width. And now just click on next and just keep this in comma. And if you keep this in comma, then it will come in this 4 columns. If you won't keep this in comma, it will come in a single column. So make sure it is in comma. So just click on next and let this thing be in general. It does not matter much. Just finish. Okay, now you can see here, now your data has come into this format. Now after seeing the data, you can easily notice that the data is in string and northing. That means projected coordinate system. Now we need to give here a first thing, we need to give it here header. Okay, for that what we'll do, I will be inserting one row here. Simply just right click and just insert. Okay, now a new row has been added here. Just give it a name, let's say point. And we know that string and northing. What do you think this is? I think this is northing because it consists of 7 digit and this is string. So I will be simply giving it here a name northing, and this will be string. And let's say this is the elevation. This is simply elevation. Just give it here elevation. And this is simply P code. Just write it here P code. Now if these things are done, just save it, Ctrl S. And what you need to do now is you just need to go to this file, just go to save as. Now we need to save this into CSV format, so I'm doing this thing. You again go to that directory. Suppose I want to save this thing here, just save as type. Make sure this comma delimited CSV. This is the CSV that you need to choose. Just choose it there and also give it a proper name. Suppose let's say I will give this name topo data. Okay, once you do that, just click on save. And yes, now you can see here the file name has been changed. Simply close this and just close this. Now you can notice here, now your data has been converted from the txt format to .csv format. This is how you convert the data. Now another thing is how to load this into GIS. So for loading this CSV data, just simply go to this layer. Since we are adding layer, we'll go to add layer. Which kind of data we are adding? We are adding this delimited text layer. So we'll go here, just left click and just click these 3 dot icons. This means browse, and now we need to show where that data is located, and we know that data is located here. Just go to data, this is the data that I want to load. Just click on open. Now you need to make sure of something. This is the most important part. Make sure that this thing suppose sometimes this geometry definition may not come, and you need to just click this arrow, and this option is the most important. we need to go to point coordinates and keep this x field in string. X means string and y means northing. Suppose in your case also it means there may be latitude and longitude, and make sure that this x means longitude and y means latitude. You need to make sure of that thing. And z means, here I will be keeping this elevation, and m field it does not matter much, but I will be keeping it here p code. Now this is the most important part. Our data is in projected coordinate system, that is also it is in 44 north. So I must need to choose here 44 north, UTM 44 zone. Make sure of this thing. Your data is in which coordinate system, that coordinate system you need to choose here. Suppose your data was in 4326, then now I had to choose this 4326 WGS 84. So make sure of this thing, and this is the most important part. Suppose if you don't have this CRS, then you need to go here, then now you need to choose here. Suppose if there is your data is in WGS 84, then just search here 4326 and you are going to get that. Suppose if your data is in 44 zone, then UTM 44 north, then 32644. These all are the EPSC code. So and just select it and just click on OK. You need to make sure of this thing. This is the most important part here. And after doing this all things, just click on add. Now you can notice here your data has been loaded successfully. This is how you load the data.